What's up guys, men unboxing here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Hisense 40-inch Smart TV Series 6. Hey guys, it's Michael from Head Unboxing, where I help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. So guys, this is the Hisense Smart TV Series 6, which is the official TV for the Euro 2020. Inside the box we have the TV itself, free wall bracket, stand, power cable, remote, quick setup guide, user manual, product warranty card, 4 screws, 2 AAA batteries, and that's all for what we have inside the box. The Hisense Series 6 has a 1920 by 1080p LED display which has a clear view and natural color enhancer while watching content on this TV. The Series 6 has only one physical button, which is at the bottom of the TV. At the back we have the LAN, AV in, digital audio out, 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, headphone jack, antenna and power inputs. On the left and right of the TV there is no button. At the bottom we have the speakers, which are quite good for a $230 TV. On the remote we have one touch access button to apps on the TV like YouTube, Netflix and Amazon Prime. Also note that there is also DSTV Now app pre-installed and other apps pre-installed on this smart TV. Any viewcast is pre-installed also, so you'll be able to cast your smartphone or laptop to the TV. The video you are watching on the Series 6 is one of the videos that I shot last year with a 4K camera, and I actually love the quality coming out of this TV. In all, I would say this TV has a good display and a good price, but there isn't much exciting things about this TV. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thumbs if you like it, subscribe if you love this video, and I'll see you on my next